Hey guys, we're in Richmond today, and just behind those bushes on Blundell and 4 Road is Round Table Pizza. So I got a large house special, no green pepper, pineapple instead, and let me show it to you. Here it is, guys. This is the location here, phone number. I've been eating this pizza for like 30 years, but I haven't had it in a while because I don't live out in Richmond. So this is it here. Let's take a look at the toppings. It's not like it used to be, but I guess it's still good. Well, let's take a piece out. I asked for it well done, but it doesn't look like it's well done. And I didn't know they were going to use red onions. I usually say no onions either, but all right, let's give it a try. Here we are trying this round table. I don't know about the red onion. A little bit too much onion. This pizza tastes spicy, guys. Try one more. Let's go to the pizza. It's $20.95 for a large house special. Have a good one, guys.